In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Outlook error where it says working offline and your emails are not sending or receiving properly. This is a very common issue faced by Outlook users, and the good news is that it's usually very easy to fix in just a few steps. Whether you're using Outlook for work, school, or personal email, this quick fix can help you get back online and syncing your emails again. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials like this. Let's jump right into it. First, make sure Outlook is open on your computer. Once Outlook is open, look toward the top area of the window where the main menu options are located. From here, click on Settings. Depending on your version of Outlook, this may be shown as a gear icon, especially if you're using the newer Outlook interface. After opening Settings, you'll see multiple categories on the left-hand side. Navigate to the General section. This is where Outlook stores many of its basic behavior and connection options. Within the General section, look for an option labeled Offline or Working Offline. This is the setting that controls whether Outlook connects to the internet or operates without syncing emails. If Outlook is currently showing the Working Offline error, this option will most likely be enabled. Go ahead and toggle off the Working Offline option. Make sure it is completely turned off so Outlook can reconnect to the mail server. Once you've disabled Working Offline, click Save to apply the changes. This step is important because Outlook will not update the setting unless it is saved properly. After saving, Outlook may automatically reconnect, but in some cases it may require a quick restart. If Outlook prompts you to restart, go ahead and close the application completely and reopen it. When Outlook loads again, it should now be online and syncing your emails as normal. You can confirm this by checking the status bar at the bottom of the Outlook window and making sure it no longer says working offline. In most cases, this simple change immediately resolves the issue you were facing, whether emails were stuck in the outbox, new messages weren't coming in, or Outlook appeared disconnected from the server. And that's it. You've successfully fixed the Outlook working offline error and restored your email connection. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful Outlook and software troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.